This is TS-16PD-12. This is our mixer, and we can adjust the input channel and the output channel in the screen, and also use the button. And this is knob. And at first, we can adjust the input 1. You can enable 48 voltage, and we also have the PEQ function. You can also adjust the PEQ in here. You can adjust the frequency and the gain, and also the Q. We also have the bypass. If you enable the bypass, it means that you don't enable this function. And we also have the compressor. You can also adjust the compressor. And we also have the bus send. If you, such as if you enable this one, it means that you give the host input, the audio source, to the output LR. And we also have the bus 1, bus 2. You should enable it. And we also have the effect send. You can send this some effection to the input. Here we also have the previous and the next. The next means you can go to the next channel, and the previous means you can go to the fourth channel. And this button is the same as this, the input setup, and the PEQ, and the compressor, and the limiter. The limiter is the compressor to this function. And you can also check the 48 voltage, the voltage function. And this is effection send and the bus send. It's the same. And you can also adjust the pen. You can adjust the pen to adjust the left channel and the right channel. And here you can press with this button. You can go to the home page, and you can also save some things here, such as if you now it is just a stage lighting. You can save a thing as a stage lighting, and you can also, such as if you join a meeting, you can save a thing as a meeting. You can also play music, use the USB. And you can also recording the input by this mixer. Here is the effection send, the FX1. You can send the effection to the LR, and send it to the bus, to left channel and right channel. Here is our system setup. Here, this is the device setup. You can set the IP address here and the net mask. That you can log in the software by using the iPad. And you can also setting the fader. And here you can change the English here, change the language here. You can change it to Chinese and English. And the next part, this is oscillator. Normally we don't change it. And auto mix, make it as the default. And the next part, mute group. If you mute group, make the input 1 to group 1, input 2 to group 1. You can at the same time mute them. And the fader link. If you link the fader, you can see here. I link the input 1 to input 4. Link it as the same group. Then I can control the fader at the same time. And the stereo link, you can link this for configure the left channel and the right channel function. And the next part, this is system maintenance. You can upgrade the mixer by using the U disk, and you can also reset this mixer. Just press here. And the system diagram. This is the principle of the mixer. This is our iPad. You can log in the software. we can log in the software, such as we can also input the input one, adjust the input one, and you can also at the same time control the two fader. And we can also link the fader, such as input 1 and input 2. I can also link the fader. When I adjust input 1,